What is happening, guys? Anybody recognize this? That's right, this is a little package from Peter McKinnon, or Nomatic is who it's really from, but this is the new Peter McKinnon bag. I thought we might unbox it, take a look at it, and see what it's all about. I was needing a new camera bag, and I saw his new product here, the Luma camera backpack, come up on Kickstarter, and I was like, hey, I support this. I love Peter McKinnon stuff, as I'm sure a lot of you guys do. And I was like, you know what? I need a new bag. Let's go ahead and give Peter a little support here. We went and jumped in on that Kickstarter, and the bag just came. Really excited to check it out. So let's just open this guy up. Grab a knife over here. Kids, don't play with knives at home. We're gonna open this guy up, see what we got. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got there. All right. Okay, we got our little packaging receipt there. All right, check this out. Here we go. Nice. The most functional gear ever. All right, let's check this out. Get rid of that. So this is probably the nicest real camera bag I've ever had. I've had a bunch of other camera bags that are, they're okay. They're just cheapy things that I've been using, and they just don't work great, right? So I looked at the new bags that Peter was coming up with, and I was like, hey, that looks kind of cool. So let's check it out. So I like that this guy is in a nice bag here. It's all sealed up good, so it's not out here getting dirty in the box and stuff. Little Ziploc bag. So let's go ahead and open that guy up. Ooh, nice, nice. Check it out. Here it is. All right, sweet. So I decided to go with the gray bag. Now, typically, I'm going to go with a black bag, but I was like, the gray kind of looks cool. I got to be honest. And I was just worried about it maybe, you know, getting dirty when I put it on the ground and stuff, because I do a lot of photo gigs where I'm out running around taking pictures, you know, in the street and cities and projects and stuff like that. But it's a little bit darker of a gray than I thought, but it looks good. I mean, it's stylish, it looks good, it's a good size. I think it looks pretty big. So let's just get in here and check this out. Got a little anti-mold chip in there. Hey, I'll take that, that's cool. All right, let's see how we get in here first. So I guess we'll just start with the top here. Open this guy up. All right, nice. So we got a nice big spot up in here for your camera to sit right in there. That's pretty sweet. There's a nice little zipper pouch in there. I like that. Let's open up the side here, see what we got. Nice, so a spot to slide your camera in right there. So you could fit camera here, camera there. We also have a spot for the lens, so if we unzip the whole thing here, let's do that. Zipper's at the top. Ah, there we go, look at that. So we got a lot of nice compartments in there. Can't even see over this thing. But nice compartments where we can put our different lenses. I like the inserts in here. They're actually really stiff. Now, a lot of the bags that I've had, again, they're cheaper, you know, not really good camera bags, honestly. The inserts that you see inside this bag, these are really sturdy. They feel actually really strong, and the Velcro feels really good. Ones that I've had in the past, it's just like a foam thing in between, and it's got Velcro, but it doesn't work great. This looks like it's going to be a lot more secure for holding stuff in there and just do a better job of keeping things in its place. So I like that I can make the compartments however I want. I can access it from the side or from the top. We've got a bunch of different compartments up in here. Let's see what is up in here. Okay, we got some cords in here. I'm sure this is to, I don't know, tie something on the side or something. I like these little pouches up in here. Again, you got two more pouches up here, which is nice. 1 and 2. I like that. This is great. I mean, the build quality feels good. It feels solid. It just seems like a really nice bag, a lot nicer than I've ever had before. So, Peter, I think you did a good job on this guy so far. I'm really looking forward to getting into trying it out. Go ahead and zip this guy back up here. Now, this bag, I don't know if I mentioned it, this is the Luma Camera Pack 18L. So this one's a little bit smaller, I think, than the last bag he had made, and that's kind of what I was looking for. I didn't want a huge one like to travel with, because I'm not really traveling anywhere. This is really the size that I was looking for and that I needed. On the side, we've got a place for maybe a water bottle or something. I like that. The straps, I like the way the straps are. One thing that I really like that I wish all bags had was this strap right here, right? To go around your shoulder or across your chest. Because when this bag gets heavy, it helps a lot to have one of these straps there just to hook it up together, keep these straps together, and just make it a little more comfortable to wear. So I like that a lot. That's really cool. It also has another pouch up in here right on the back. Looks like you can fit a laptop in there. So that's good, because there's a lot of times where I'm grabbing my little laptop, you know, I'm not bringing my whole computer setup, got my little laptop, I'm gonna bring that wherever I'm going. So I like that I can fit it right in there with all my camera gear. And I mean, overall, the build quality of this thing feels good. It feels solid. Zippers feel good. It's got lots of cool little, like, up on here, these things, you could hook like little carabiners up under these things right here. It looks really good. I'm excited to get in there and start using this bad boy and see how it works out for all my camera gear. So this is awesome. I'm really looking forward to it. Peter, thanks so much for, you know, partnering up with Nomatic, making some awesome bags. Nomatic, thanks for the awesome hard work that you guys do on all this stuff. Not only Peter's line of stuff, but all the other stuff that you guys do. It all looks really awesome, and in time, I'd like to get some more of that kind of stuff, because it looks like you guys make awesome stuff. So that is, in a nutshell here, the Peter McKinnon Luma bag here from Nomatic. Looking forward to giving this guy a try. And yeah, if you guys are curious, got any questions about it, let me know. And I'm happy to respond to you guys, let you know what I think, or if you answer any questions you might have. And with that said, I'm gonna go fill this guy up. We're gonna try it out and see how it works out for us. So with that said, guys, I will see you in the next video. Peace. Try this on here. Just throw it on my back. Let's see, how's this feel? All right, all right. How do I look? It looks pretty good. Feels good. It feels real good, actually. And then, like I said, once you hook this guy on there, I really, really like these things, man. That's great. Cool. It feels good. Straps feel good. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. Peter, you're the man. You're the man. All right, guys. See you. Peace.